You're not standing out on OnlyFans or on social media because you're not being different. But we can actually change that. What I need you guys to understand, and this is very important, subscribers are fed up of seeing the same creators. They're being all the same. They're same of the same boring videos. They're fed up of the same boring personalities and the same boring content. You need to figure out how to be different. Now, by doing this, it makes it harder to grow quick, harder to bring subs in that are going to actually spend. And really, worst of all, it's probably making you burn out because you're not getting the results you want. But there's actually a way to overcome this so we can make you stand out and grow big. And this is figuring out unique selling points and then figuring out a niche. So I'm going to explain them both. So by the end of the video, you'll know how to stand out against the other 4 million creators. You need to understand 4 million other competition, that is. You need to stand out from them. So it's probably going to help if I explain what a niche is first. So it's just a particular segment of the market, a particular category, let's say. So let's think of it. You like rock music, I like pop. You like rap, but I like R&B. We just like different things, and that's the basic way I can explain it. But now you know what that is, it's really important to pick the right niche so we can stand out amongst the crowd. So we know what the audience likes, and we know what fans want to actually buy, and typically they're going to buy more because they like the content. So we need to consider a few things when picking a niche. But first of all, we need to understand what makes you unique. So the different things that are going to make you unique are your personal strengths and skills. So is there anything you're good at? I mean, physical attributes like long tongues, tall, small, big boobs, big ass. Hobbies and interests like ice bath, rollerblading, swimming, jumping rope. Personality and character. So are you quirky? Do you like dark humor? That type of thing. And then your ethnicity. So these are all different ways that can make you unique from other creators as well. And just to give you a few examples, your favorite creators are utilizing what's unique to them. Now let's use Jelly Beans first. I'm going to either put up a video left or right. And this is what Jelly Beans does to get 10 million plus views. She's got the chest thing that changes. Or let's use another example where she gets 60 million views. Her hobbies are cars. So she uses these, I know she does crazy things with her Lambos or Porsches, but she uses that unique selling point. And then Marie D, she actually pioneered the office niche by utilizing her dad's office. And look, you might not have Lambos, Porsches, or an office, but you might have a skill like the splits. So now you know what your USBs could be. You need to figure out what niches you're looking for. Now there's a few characteristics when looking for a niche, a good niche, and these are going to be in demand. So subs are going to actually watch it. And I mean, there's always an audience for someone. Low competition, hard to copy, and that's where your USPs are really going to stick out. Not too many other similar creators, like farmers and outdoor girls overlap. It's nothing like that. It's got to have the right demographic, so we do not want broke college students, basically. Something else you might consider is like trending niches. Like, as I said, the office girl last year was doing absolutely well. But it's got to be those 5 things at least, or a few of them. So in general, you wanna blend your niche into something you're passionate about, so you don't actually burn out. You need to actually enjoy making the content. Don't just do something you don't like or not interested in. But yes, to really stand out from the crowd, you need to figure out what makes you unique and then apply it to a niche. So when a stranger sees you on their explore page, they're thinking, "Oh, she's different. Let me find out a little bit more about her." And just as a bonus, you might want to analyze top creators, see if they've got any gaps or anything they're overlooking, and then you can make a unique angle on that and take advantage on that angle as well. But look, now you know how to stand out from the crowd. If you apply what I've just taught you, you're going to notice an increase in subs. You're going to notice higher engaged fans, and you're going to notice more revenue from each fan as well. So what I'm going to do for you, just as a bonus, in my Telegram channel, I'm going to make a list of unique niches so you can see if there's any that work for you. So go to the link in the description, join the Telegram channel, look at the list, and then if you need any, help on figuring out what niche might work for you, just send me a DM on Insta or Telegram, and that's going to be at OnlyBliss1.